Ngezana is now worth 58 million rands in transfer value. Bafana Bafana defender Siyabonga Ngezana is reaping the benefits of playing in Europe as his transfer value keeps going up. Ngezana is in his second season with Romanian giant FC SB, with who he has won the league and Super Cup. The 27-year-old has already played 57 matches in his club or for his club, including the appearances in UEFA Champions League qualifiers and Europa group stages. The run in the continental football by the 1986 European champions has now put the 27-year-old keeper amongst the top 5 valuable players at his club. What is interesting is that when Ngezana moved from Kaizer Chiefs in June 2023, he was sold for 600 euros. Converted to South African rands, that would be at the time 11 million point 6 rands. That figure has already tripled. He is now expected to move 5 times upwards by the end of the season, depending on how far the club goes or perform this season. His national team career with Bafana Bafana will also influence his value rise, having now established himself as a firm contender for regular sport for the national team. The projection from contacts in Europe puts Ngezana at 3 million euros, approximately 58 million rands, come end of the season. Kaizer Chiefs, they were very smart for keeping 10% sell on for Ngezana towards the defender if he's linked with other clubs or if he's transferred to other clubs. Right now he's linked to clubs in France, Italy and England. FC, his team is currently the champions of the Romanian league, and they've been knocked out of the European phase. But they've done well this season, so we wait to see how far the team will go in terms of their performance this season, and the value of Ngezana keep rising. So if Bafana Bafana or South Africa qualifies for the World Cup, seeing that Ngezana is playing now regular for Bafana Bafana, that will mean that his value will rise maybe to 5 million US dollars or euros. But the rise of Ngezana is from the gods. Yeah, from being a backup at Kaizer Chiefs, being put by the fans, to one of the greatest stages in Europe, playing against Manchester United in Old Trafford and other very important teams. Congratulations, Siyabonga Ngezana.